All right, this is the review for part 2 of Mastery Test 1B, which you have coming up. So here we are just looking at multiplying decimals and making sure we put the correct number of decimal places in our answer. So if you look at the example up at the top, it's saying that this problem has 3 decimal places. So there's 1, 2, 3 right here. So because there's 3 decimal places in the problem, my answer also has to have 3 decimal places. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in the problem as well. That's why the decimal point is right there. Okay, so if I look at problem A and count my decimal places, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places in the problem, which means I need to have 5 in my answer. So I need to count over 5 places. The 4 is 1, the 9 is 2, the other 9 is 3, this 2 is 4, and the 3 is 5. So my decimal point goes in front of the 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places in my answer. Okay, you can go ahead and do B, C, D, and E on your own. And then go ahead and flip over to the next page. You can pause the video if you would like, or just go ahead and flip over and come back. Okay, on the next page, we're doing the same thing, except for some of these, you may need to add zeros to create enough decimal places. So you can do problem A on your own. I'm going to skip to problem B and do that one just to show you here. So I look at problem B. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in the problem. So that means I need 4 decimal places in my answer. But when I look at the answer, I've got the 5, the 1, and the 3. I only have 3 numbers there. So what I need to do is put a 0 in front of the 3 to make the 4th. Now I can put my decimal point there, and I have 4 decimal places. Okay, so some of these you'll have to add more than 1 0, but you'll just have to add enough zeros so that you have enough decimal places in your answer. Okay, go ahead and finish up this part of the review. When you are completed with it, make sure you get it checked off and that they're all correct.